Welcome to your HIPAA basic and best practice training. And let's talk about use and disclosure of PHI. Information that might identify the patient directly or indirectly is considered PHI. Now that we have a better understanding of PHI, let's discuss use and disclosure. Uses takes place within the organization holding the medical information. In other words, what we use refers to the internal use of PHI. For example, when we review or use PHI internally, such as treatments, payments, audit, training, customer services, or quality improvement. On the other hand, disclosures are released to parties external to the organization. In other words, what we share. This refers to the external use of PHI. For example, when we release or provide PHI to someone, such as another provider, patient, personal representatives, pharmacy, attorney, etc. What is covered entity? HIPAA rules state that covered entities include anyone that electronically transmits any health information in connection with transactions in which Health and Human Services has adopted standards, such as healthcare providers, health plans, healthcare clearing houses. Coming up, we'll explore each type of covered entity and share some common examples. The first type of covered entity is healthcare providers. This includes doctors, clinicians, psychologists, dentists, chiropractors, nursing homes, and pharmacies. These examples of healthcare providers, but only if they transmit any information in an electronic form in connection with a transaction for which Health and Human Services has adopted a standard. The second type of covered entity is institutions that provide health plans. These include health insurance companies, HMOs and PPOs, self-insured companies, health plans, and government programs that pay for healthcare such as Medicare, Medicaid, and the military and veteran healthcare programs. And lastly, healthcare clearinghouse. These include entities that process non-standard health information they receive from another entity into a standard, for example, standard electronic format or data content, or vice versa. Essentially, a healthcare clearing house is the middleman between healthcare providers and insurance payers. A clearing house checks medical claims for errors, ensuring the claims can get correctly processed by the payers. Thank you for your time. Please like our video to encourage us to bring more content online.